Welcome to the Otii Quick Start series. This video will show you how to deep dive within the recordings for a detailed analysis. This video assumes the device under test is already configured and the recording measurements are already available within the Otii desktop app. Measurement analysis can be done on finished recordings, as well as ongoing ones. Here is where you can see the full length of your recordings and if any of them ongoing. For the analysis, you can use plot tools and graph tools. By pressing H, all the shortcuts for the tools are shown. The plot tools enable you to make some selections based on how you want to view your recording. The same apply if you want to analyze a part of the measurement while the recording is still ongoing. To show the whole recording, click the arrow icon or press the W key on your keyboard to activate the fit width. If a portion of the recording is selected, it can be displayed in the entire view by activating the zoom to selection on the respective icon or pressing Shift plus Shift S on the keyboard. Note that when you click on the graph, scrolling stops, but the recording continues in the background if you have an ongoing measurement. To follow the ongoing graph, click on the play icon or press the L key on your keyboard to follow the graph being recorded. The graph tool facilitates the recording analysis for further optimization. Within the available tools is selection, which is activated by clicking on the arrow icon on the toolbar or pressing the S key on your keyboard. With the selection tool selected, the mouse can be used to select a specific time span. The statistics will be updated to show the statistics for the selected area. You can drag the edges to change the selection size and drag the entire selection along the time axis by pressing the Command key on the macOS or Control on Windows or Linux simultaneously. When you need to analyze further, activate the Zoom tool by pressing the magnifier icon or pressing the Z key and mark the area you need to analyze. Zoom the x-axis of the active graph by holding the Command key on macOS or Control on Windows or Linux, and mouse wheel at the same time to zoom in and zoom out of the graph. To zoom the y-axis, do the same, but press Option on macOS or Alt on Windows or Linux instead. Select the drag tool or press the D key to move along the recording and see the latest points of your measurements. As you can see here, you can have multiple recordings within the same project, which can be easily renamed to keep track of the improvements made during the whole development cycle. Suppose some recordings needs to be synced for easier comparison. In that case, you can achieve a recording in time by activating the drag tool and selecting the recording you want to offset. Then press Option on macOS or Alt on Windows or Linux, click on the graph to be offsetted and move it around. Once the graph has been synchronized, refer to the statistics table to analyze the minimum, average, maximum, and energy consumption values of the measured channel. That's how you analyze the device under test measurements. For more tips and advanced features, check out our next video to master Otii usage, or visit docs.coitec.com for further details. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay tuned for Coitec's latest content.